Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I welcome you to English grade 6 video lessons. This is your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well. So now, as you know that we are dealing with our unit number 1, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's patience. This is our lecture number 9 with the competency of writing, and the topic is about spelling rules. So my dear learners, in this video lesson we will be talking about spelling rules, converting singular noun into plurals, and some other things. So let's read our students' learning outcome first. Our SLO is write multi-syllable words at grade level with correct spelling, using spelling rules and strategies like noting sound and visual patterns in words, applying vowel consonant patterns, for example blends, doubling of consonants, changing the ending of a word from Y to IES. So my dear learners, in this SLO we will be talking about using the correct spelling, using spelling rule strategies like noting the sounds, seeing the visual patterns in words, applying vowel consonant patterns, and we have some examples like blending, doubling of consonants, changing the ending of a word from Y to IES. So this is all about our students' learning outcome. Here is a vertical linkage of this SLO with the previous one that you have already covered. So my dear learners, here is your today's brainstorming sessions activity. It says, how do we change singular nouns into plural? I hope that you know this very well. Try to recall that how do you change a singular noun into a plural noun. Yes, by adding S, by adding IES, and some other rules which we follow to change singular nouns into plurals. I hope that you did a good brainstorming session today. Now let's moving on. We have our spelling. Now let's see what they are. The spelling rule for words ending in Y is when the word has a vowel, all these vowels A, E, I, O and U, before the letter Y, you add the letter S, and when the word has a consonant, all these consonants, before the letter Y, you remove the Y and replace it with IES. So if you're having a vowel before Y, you add S, but if you have a consonant before the letter Y, you add ES. My dear learners, note these rules down. It will help you pluralizing any singular noun. So now let's put these rules into practice. Here you can see that if there is a vowel before the Y, just add S like this. Here we have a vowel E before Y, we just added S. So this is the rule for adding S. Now let's see. For the consonants, take off the Y and add IES. If it's a consonant before the Y, take off the Y and add IES. For example, sky, with the consonant before Y, we have K here. We will remove the letter Y and add IES instead. Now, can you tell whether these are consonants or vowels? Is it a consonant or a vowel before the Y? So here we have a vowel, here we have a consonant. So you can identify them, and also you can pluralize these for your practice. Now let's see this one. Is it a consonant or a vowel before the Y? If it's a vowel before the Y, you just add S. My dear learners, we are revising our rules. If it's a consonant before the Y, take off the Y and add IES. It's as simple as that. Now we have a quick simulation video for your better understanding. You can watch it at any time. The link is provided. So my dear learners, for your classroom activity, we will be doing activity for practice. We have the question, come up with as many singular words as you can that end with I. You have to write all the words that come into your mind, singular words with that ends with Y, pluralize each word with S or IES to create a new set of plural words. Share new words with each other and make sentences using the plural forms. So it's a very interesting classroom activity. I hope you enjoy doing it. Now for your worksheet, we have this question of changing the following singular nouns into plural nouns. I hope that after learning about the rules, you can easily put them into your practice. My dear learners, for your homework, we have a question. Read an article and find nouns that end with Y. Change them into plural using the spelling rules. The spelling rules we have already covered. If it's vowel before Y, we add S. If it's consonant before Y, we add IES. So you can use them in your homework. Now we are here at the end of the lesson. We have some resources for you. We have worksheet, presentation, lesson plan, question bank, and skill sheet. All these are provided in the description of the video. You can easily find them, and they will help you in your further understanding of the topic. So I hope that you had great time learning about the rules, the spelling rules for changing singular into plural nouns. Until the next video lesson, Allah Hafiz.